All right, here's the differential, or they call it a differential, no? Transaxle, right. Same thing?
Transaxle when the transmission is with it. It's then a transaxle.
Okay.
So this is the rear end off from the transaxle.
Rear end?
Yeah.
Okay. They call it differential too, or no? Or just rear end?
Rear end, differential, whatever you want to call it.
Okay, I'm just trying to get it right. Well, this is the one out of the ramp side, out of the 80 horse, and it had the rusty, crusty pinion, and ring gear was in it. Looked like it was pitted almost.
It was pitted.
Pitted?
Yeah,
water?
from the water.
From water being in there.
Right. What I did was, well, we disassembled this, and I took the innards, took all of the pieces in, and had them clean. It's clean as a pin on the inside as much as it is on the outside. Brought it back home, blew it all out, double checked everything, taped it up, painted it. And painted up the parts. So we even threw this away that was on it originally.
It was all because it was all rusty. Wanted to see if I had a different one.
And this is what
a nicer one for him.
Yep. This is what Scott brought over. Cleaned him up, gave him a little paint, and just to make it look kind of cool, painted some parts on it red, so that you kind of get it looks better.
Yeah, it looks nice.
It looks nice.
Yeah. Now I was talking to Bill in Tucson. He said, "Oh, normally they don't paint them because it holds the heat in."
That's not the engine.
Yeah, I know, but I told him and he's very technical with a lot of stuff. He's like really into the racing, high end, very tight specs or heat or anything.
All we're trying to do is get from point A to point B.
Yeah.
And look cool going down the road.
Yep.
So
yeah, I got them I found in my stockpile of parts, one that the tag said it was a 355. When I pulled it apart, the gears, I counted them all, numbered, counted them, they're 355, and real nice set. I brought them, took them apart. Gary showed me how to just take it all apart. Took it apart and brought them, and he said, really liked they were very good, very good.
Very good condition.
Said crap gas mileage with the
389.
Well, but I mean crap gas mileage with them pitted up.
Right.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
They weren't really necessarily worn out, right? They're just
no. But if you'd have put it in, if we'd have put those gears in this, the 389s, and put them out there to go, they probably wouldn't have lasted 40, maybe 50,000 miles.
We got it apart.
And then it's a mess.
Yeah, you got to pull everything back apart again.
Right.
So I found the good set of 355s would be better 65 miles an hour, maybe on the freeway, maybe 70.
75.
75, depending on your wheel size, I guess.
Right.
And that's what I found. I looked on Clark's. They only sold one ring and pinion set, and it was discontinued. So, and you know, I did find a set on eBay, new old stock in a box. It said 355, and now because I learned from Gary the different gear ratios, you look in the Corvair primer, it tells you how many gears are on the teeth, and
teeth are on the gear.
Right. And I zoomed in, took a picture, and I counted the teeth 2-3 times on that picture, and they were not 355s.
Right.
So I was getting excited to order them, and I'm like, found out, this ain't the right stuff.
Right.
I'd be pulling tree stumps with these low gears.
Yeah. Yep.
So I did find, he said, stay away from China bearings.
Yep.
I did go to O'Reilly's with the numbers, and they came up with ones, and they were China. Clark's on their pictures said China. I went to a bearings place here in Phoenix. I went into a bearings place in Phoenix here, and actually the guy was great. He found the Timken ones, and he had almost a full set minus one race and one bearing. He's got the rest coming from Reno, and I ordered 3 more full sets for future projects. Plus, Gary said yours are starting to whine out there a little bit. Your bearings.
Oh yeah. It's got 435,000 miles on it. I guess it's time to fix it.
So, got an extra set.
Yep.
Got plenty of them while you can find them. I think they're about a little under $200 a set, or around 200 maybe, for a full set of Timkens. I guess you get what you pay for. So, bearings and races. So, all right. Now I was telling Gary on the differential, or rear end I got out of the last one here, that this hole was busted off, but there was like nothing screwed to it that goes onto it. So I was like, didn't know what that was for.
Okay, what that's for is originally from the factory. Here's a guide. This is a guide hole. This one, and there's one over here and one here that just sit on a machine that bored all of the holes that are in this to make a rear end out of this chunk of cast iron.
Yeah.
That's what they did originally.
Okay. Gotcha. I was kind of wondering what that was. It didn't look like nothing went to it, so nothing went to it, just sat on their jig and they machined it.
Right.
Gotcha. Learning.
Because they had to take a lot of material out of these to make a rear end out of them. Can you imagine the machine?
Well,
dang. But they do last a long time when you keep the oil changed and when you keep it free and clean of debris and clutter and
I mean, how often should you change the lube on that? The rear end lube?
I don't know. You have to look in your glove box under
in your manual?
On your manual to tell you when you change that out.
Some people probably never change it, and
just make sure the damn thing's full, if nothing else. And don't put used oil in it. Put new oil in it.
80-90?
Yeah.
80-90.